Welcome to the Signal Lab. Before comparing performance, we have to identify the device correctly. The Radeon RX 9070 XT is a graphics card. The Ryzen 7 9700X is a processor. Their similar-looking numbers describe different product families and different jobs. Correcting the name prevents the rest of the analysis from starting on the wrong bench. Signal 1 is architecture. AMD lists the RX 9070 XT as an RDNA 4 graphics card with 64 compute units and 4096 stream processors, along with ray accelerators. These are useful facts inside AMD's design, but stream processor counts should not be compared directly with NVIDIA CUDA core counts. Architectures organize and use their resources differently. Cross-vendor conclusions require matched workload results, not arithmetic between labels. Signal 2 is memory. The reference specification includes 16 GB of GDDR6 on a 256-bit interface. AMD publishes up to 640 GB per second of memory bandwidth. Capacity can help hold textures and working data. Bandwidth affects movement through the memory subsystem. Neither number independently guarantees a frame rate. Game engine, resolution, settings, ray tracing, drivers, and the rest of the graphics pipeline still shape the result. Signal 3 is the feature path. Evaluate raster rendering, ray tracing, upscaling, media capabilities, and display support as separate needs. AMD lists features including FSR and DisplayPort 2.1a support, but exact usefulness depends on the game, application, display, and implementation. Compare image quality and responsiveness as well as frame rate output. A vendor chart may use settings that do not match another chart, so read the test conditions before carrying a number into your own decision. Signal 4 is power and fit. AMD lists 304 watts of total board power and recommends a 750 watt power supply for the reference specification. The reference connection is listed as two 8-pin power connectors. Partner boards can differ in dimensions, clocks, cooling, connectors, and requirements. Verify the exact model rather than assuming every box labeled RX 9070 XT follows the same physical design. Put the system on the bench. Measure case clearance and slot space. Identify the power supply and cables. Check airflow, display connection, and processor balance. A supply recommendation is not a substitute for quality, correct connectors, or complete system calculation. A board dimension from one model does not prove another model will fit. Now create a clean comparison. Use the same game version, scene, resolution, quality settings, ray tracing mode, and upscaling condition. Separate native from upscaled or generated output. Record averages, frame times, power, noise, and memory behavior. Compare the media and application features you actually use. Then include current price, warranty, and any supporting upgrade in total value. 3 errors contaminate the signal. Calling the card a 9700 XT confuses it with a different naming family. Comparing stream processors directly with CUDA cores ignores architectural differences. Treating a vendor result as equivalent to an independent native test can hide changes in settings or image generation modes. The RX 9070 XT signal is clear when the test is clean. RDNA 4, 64 compute units, 4096 stream processors, 16 GB of GDDR6, a 256-bit interface, up to 640 GB per second, and a 304 watt reference board power figure. Those publish facts define the product. Your match tests, exact partner board, system fit, image quality needs, and complete cost determine whether it belongs in your PC.